Because it's a nice day today, we thought we'd come to Dyserth Waterfall in Wales. You have to pay 50p to get in. Obviously a waterfall here. A scary cave. It says here, warning, unfenced boundaries. That's the entrance there. And if you look here, now we're going up a few steps, lose some weight.
I feel like I'm in Ibiza again.
Really? That's the hill climbing for you. What a lovely little view from here though. This is the main car park down here, to where to park your car, but there's a lot of people here, so it's hard to get a parking space. Well, we've come on a lovely day anyway. 20 million steps to climb up. As Debbie said, it's like being in Ibiza, but without the 40-degree heat. Yeah. Boys are off exploring. Can't beat a bit of lovely Welsh countryside. Love finding places like this. Kinda made it, I think.
We're
halfway up, yeah. What a beautiful sight we've got. See the thing over there. That's what I love about Wales. Hidden gems, that's it. The Welsh countryside, love it. So the mystery is, where does this lot of steps that just keep going up and up and up, where does that lead us out? Let's go find out. It now, it's getting a bit rocky. Put some steps in to go down though. Yeah, so must be access through this way as well. It's just a little dirt track leading on to another bridge over here. Well, let's go see what we can find. Yeah, beautiful. So yeah, somebody's dumped a random seat in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. If you need a bit of a break, you've got a seat. We'll continue down this way. What size is that behind? Yeah. Everyone taking pictures and that. This guy's brave enough to go a bit further. Bob's doing the Spider-Man in the water. And he's made it! Well done, Bobby, eh? Smashed it, Bob, well done. Doing something I wouldn't do anyway. Right, let's go up to the cave and see what we've got up there, eh? How is it, Bruce? Hello? Is anyone home?
Anyone?
No, you definitely can't see anything in here. Let me put the GoPro on.
Whoa.
Anyway, we'll make it back out. So Freddie's found a cave, goes in there, comes out the other side. All the boys are in there now. Is that fun? Kids love stuff like this, don't they? Filling up full of people here now. It's amazing what a bit of water and a waterfall can do. Brings everyone out, doesn't it? Lovely. So we're going to go up this avalanche of a hill. That's where the cave comes out on the other side. Walking across the bridge now, which is here. Got more steps to climb, guys. At least the boys are enjoying it though. That's a good thing.
Especially,
tell you what, gotta say, beautiful views every time we come up. Look at that. Derelict house here. Someone tell us how much that costs. It's like a maze round here. Oh, Bobby's off that way.
He's going to find stuff, Bobby.
Boy's off that way. We're a bit lost. Lost in the wilderness of Wales. It's all part of the adventure, isn't it? Multiple steps everywhere. Up, down, left, right. Where's David Bowie when you need him, eh? I think we just keep going down. I think it's the easiest option. Found an absolutely stunning house here on the right. It's called the Mill House. Beautiful. Some nice motors in there as well. A couple of Porsches. What a beautiful place.
House by the waterfall. And you can go and scan that QR code. You can get to see the inside of it and the garden.
It says here, the house by the waterfall. It says please follow me to view the interior and garden. So Debbie's going to scan it. It's an Instagram post. That's the Mill House, guys. That was Dyserth Waterfall, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thought we'd give you a bit of a tour around while we're out in Wales. So yeah, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, all that jazz, and we'll see you in the next video.